Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set up your very own website for free. So you will get a free domain, free hosting and even a free SSL certificate or a free template without spending a single penny. So we will be using a trusted platform called Infinity Free, which offer absolutely free hosting service with no hidden fees. I will guide you through each and every step from getting your domain name, setting up your hosting, installing WordPress and securing your website. So stay with me till the end of this video if you want a professional looking website without any cost. So let's get started. Now open your browser. In the search bar type Infinity Free Domain and Hosting and press enter. You will see their website. It's usually the first one that pop-ups called infinityfree.net. Click on that link to open it. Alright, so this is the platform we will be using today, Infinity Free. So Infinity Free has been around for several years and it is one of the most popular free hosting provider out there. It offers free hosting for lifetime, unlimited bandwidth, 5 GB of disk space, free SSL certificates, free subdomain options, or you can connect your own domain. And the best part is, no ads will be placed on your website, so your visitors will see only your content, not random ads. It's perfect if you are just starting out and don't want to invest money immediately. At the top right corner of the Infinity Free website, you will see the register button. Click on it. Here you have two options. You can either create an account manually by entering your email and password, or you can quickly sign up using your Google account, which makes the process much faster. I am going to sign up with my Google account. It's easy and takes just a few seconds. Once you complete the sign up, you will see this interface on your screen. This is your main dashboard. Now from your dashboard, you will see an option to create an account. Click on it. Here Infinity Free offers you packages. So I will select the free hosting package called Infinity Free Forever package with $0. It includes everything you need: free hosting, free SSL, unlimited bandwidth, and a good amount of space. Click on create account now to continue. After a few seconds, you will be brought to a new page where you can select your free subdomain. Infinity Free allows you to choose from multiple domain extensions. For example, you will see the options like 42web.io, apg.com and others. I'm going to select .42web.io for my demo today. Next, you need to type the domain name you want. This will be the address of your website. For example, if you want to type helpwork, it will become helpwork.42web.io. Click on the check availability button. If your chosen domain name is already taken, don't worry, just slightly change your name and try again until it is available. Now the next step is filling out additional information. You don't have to manually enter anything complicated here, and under email consent, just click on approve. After that, click on create account button, and that's it. Your hosting account is now being created. After a few moments, you will see this interface where all the important information about your hosting is shown. You will find options like control panel, file manager, website builder, script install and much. Now the next important step, click on the control panel button. When you click on control panel, you might see a small notice asking for approval. Simply scroll down and click approve or continue. And now congratulations, you are officially inside the hosting control panel of your new free website. Now let's install WordPress on our domain. So from the control panel, scroll down to the software section. You will find an option called Softaculous App Installer. Click on it. Inside Softaculous, you will see a lot of apps, but we are looking for WordPress, the most popular website builder in the world. Now click on the install. Now you will be on the WordPress installation page. Here's what you need to do. First, in the installation URL section, select your domain, the one you just created. Next, scroll down and set your admin username and admin password. Don't use simple username like admin and weak password. Use a strong password you can even generate on here automatically for better security. You can also set your website name and tagline if you want, but for now we will keep it simple. Once you are done, scroll down and click on the install button. Now wait for a few seconds while WordPress install everything for you. It usually takes less than a minute. So congratulations, your WordPress is installed on your domain. You will see two links here. The first link is your website URL. This is what people will visit to your website. And the second link is your WordPress admin URL. This is where you log in to manage and edit your website. So first click on your website URL. You will see your website is live. But right now it's looking pretty empty and simple. That's normal because we have not added anything yet. So now click on the admin URL, the second link. Here you will be taken to the WordPress dashboard, the backend of your website. This is where all things happen. From here you can install themes, add plugins, create new pages, and manage your setting and much more. If you are a beginner or you just want to practice building website, this dashboard is perfect place to start experimenting and learning. You can take your time to explore different options and get comfortable. Alright, now let's secure our website by installing a free SSL certificate. If you visit your website right now, you will notice it say not secure next to the URL. That means there is no SSL installed yet. No worries, we are going to fix that right now. So we have to install free SSL certificate. Go back to the Infinity Free website. At the top menu, you will see an option called Free SSL Certificate. Click on it. Now click on the new SSL certificate button. Now you can see this interface. Here you need to enter your domain name. Don't add HTTP or slashes. Just type the domain name directly, for example, your domain.your extension. Once entered, click on Create Order. Now your SSL order has been successfully created. Next, we need to validate the domain ownership. Sometimes you will see a button saying Automatic CNM Setup. If you see that, just click it. That will automatically add the necessary settings for you. But if there is no automatic setup available, like right now, we have to do it manually. Now open your cPanel. Search for the CNAME records. Here it is. Click on it. Here you will see the options like record name, domain and destination. Now go back to the SSL setup page and carefully copy the CNAME details, both record name and destination. Come back to the CNAME manager and paste them into the correct fields. Then click on Add Record. Add your CNAME record is added successfully. Now go back to the SSL order page and click refresh. You will see a message saying that your record has been detected successfully. It says it can take up to 1 hour for SSL to become active, but usually it only takes around 15 to 20 minutes. So after 15 minutes, you can see this message that CNAME record setups correctly. Perfect, that means we can now request the SSL certificate. So click on the button called Request Certificate. Now the SSL certificate is being dispatched. It usually takes a few minutes. When it's ready, you will see an option to install SSL certificate automatically. So click on it. Infinity Free will automatically install the SSL certificate into your hosting. It says it may take around 15 minutes for the SSL to become fully active. No problem, just wait patiently. After 15 minutes, refresh the page again. Now you will see the status showing active. This means your SSL is installed properly. Congratulations, your website is now fully secure. Now click on the HTTPS link to open your website securely. Now you should see that your website URL is fully secure. This confirms your website is now protected with SSL. If for some reason the SSL does not show immediately, you can install a free WordPress plugin called a Really Simple SSL to force HTTPS easily. Now while the SSL was activating, I installed a free website template to make the site look professional. Let me show you how I did it. First, go to your WordPress dashboard. Click on Plugin and Add New. Search for a plugin called Invato Elements. It's completely free. After you activate Invato Elements, you will see a new tab called Template Kits. You can see the tons of free templates you can use for your website. Browse through the templates and find one that fits your style or the purpose of your website. I personally like this one, so I click on this and install it. Now after installing the template, we need to properly set it up on our website. Here's how you can do it step by step. First, go to your pages and add a new. Give your page a name like home or whatever you prefer. Then click publish. Once the page is published, click on edit with Elementor. After a few seconds, you will enter the Elementor editing. In Elementor, click on the Invento icon. Now select the template kit that you installed earlier. Choose the page design you want to import. Click on it and it will automatically add it to your page. After a few seconds, your template will be fully loaded. Now you can edit anything, change the text, images, colors, and even create your own custom design if you want. And click publish. Now let's set this new page as the front page of our website. Go back to your WordPress dashboard. Click on settings and on their drop down click on reading. Under your home page display, select a static page. Then choose the home page or the page you just created from the drop down. Click save changes. Now whenever someone visits your website, the beautiful home page will be first thing they see. And that's it. You just learned how to create a full professional website without paying anything. No need for a paid hosting, no need for a domain, no need for a local server. Free domain, free hosting, free SSL, free WordPress installation, free professional template, all done easily in just a few steps. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like, share and subscribe to support the channel. If you have any question, feel free to comment below. I will try to help everyone. See you in the next video.